What it do, family? It's your boy Chart Plug, man. And sorry about today's video. Today's video doesn't have an intro, but I'm just gonna say, man, you guys know what to do. Refresh that page like 5 times, man. Let's get it. Let's get this video to like what 400 views maybe or something. But yeah, with you guys, I know that anything is possible. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm gonna start off. With with the dollar index chart, and then I break it down to wait, I mean, and then I go to, sorry, then I go to um gold, euro, USD JPY, and then I'm gonna choose like one more. I'll probably choose it at that time. So yeah, let's get it. So right now I'm on the dollar index, uh I think, let me just start all over again. So for the new people, if you're new, what up, man? Welcome to Chat Plug family. You know what I'm saying, man? It's your boy CPFX. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag CPFX, hashtag Chat Plug, in whatever post you post on Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is. Even though I ain't on Twitter, but yeah. So you start off first analyzing. Yeah. So now this is my 30-second, I think, technical analysis. That's crazy. 30-second. Wow, that's crazy. But you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, though. Yeah. So right now I'm looking at the US dollar currency index, or the dollar index, right? So it's been falling for a while, and then it looks like what it's been doing is it fell, then it retraced, then it's still falling. So yesterday we just had a like one of those retests, and then when I say a retest, I'm talking about a retest. The thing is, I remember this chart, you know what I'm saying? So like I remember the lines that are needed and everything, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I remember that this chart, because I'm doing this chart like every week, you know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta understand that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't know if I should use, yo man, can this point, yeah. So I basically was drawing this point that's here, this point, or basically these two, and then then possibly make it longer. But yeah, that's what I was drawing. And then when I meant retest earlier, when I just basically meaning the price sort of like retested that line. Now it's continuing to fall, right? So on the weekly, I mean, y'all can see we falling down, right? On the daily, how's the daily looking like, baby? How's the baby looking like? You see what it does on the daily? You can see it broke through, went to retest nicely, gave us some young doji there, then started falling. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that should also indicate that we're actually retesting now or falling. But it looks like we're having a double bottom there. But I'll check it out on the 4-hour. But for right now, our downward trend is this one. This is our downtrend. So as long as we're still in this region, let me fix up the region there quick. Yes. Let me see how I can try and finesse this. Yeah, as long as price is within this region right here, we're still on a downtrend. You know what I'm saying? Never forget that. Yeah. So right now we look like a retest, but I'm shaking my head, man. I'm like, oh my god, what's gonna happen here? Because right now, price looks like what it was doing. It was forming a double bottom. You know what I'm saying? And right now we actually now the double bottom is now actually holding, because we now got a trend reversal candlestick pattern, and that's a and that's an engulfing candle. You see what I'm saying? So also that that can also contribute, or should I say, contribute to my bullish bias. But I'm still bearish as hell on this pair. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, if at all I had any thoughts about buying, I'd say yeah, I'm buying because I see an engulfing and I see a double bottom. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So right now on the 4 hour. Oh, sorry, I'm tripping. On the 4 hour, yeah. So yeah, so now this is the 4 hour. This is our 4 hour, and you see, we went up there, and then we had like a double bottom. You know what I'm saying? So your boy Goose Man, or as they call me, CPFX Chart Plug, he is not sure, or should I say, I'm not sure as to what's gonna happen right now. So I will try and finesse this by drawing as many trend lines as possible, just to try and see what can be said with this pair right here. Let's see, it's your boy. So like, it's simple, right? For me, I won't trade this pair anyway. So which means that if I say I won't trade this pair anyway, which means that I'm also indecisive on the pairs that are against the USD. You know what I'm saying? So right now, at least maybe if I go on those pairs, I can see much clearer charts as compared to this one. This one is a bit blurry for me, but it's just simple for me. If it breaks this low, you're going down long term. You know what I'm saying? If it passes this high, then I'm gonna reanalyze it. But I'm not saying we're bullish yet. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna reanalyze it. Yeah. I'm gonna start off with, I don't know if I said gold first, but yeah, we're gonna go first. Start off on the weekly. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me remove these items. Let me remove these. Alright. Start off on the weekly. First of all, we look like we're on resistance. Flipping hell. The area we on though, it's crazy. So it looks like we're on resistance. Now if you noticed well, you saw that on that dollar index chart, on the weekly chart, we sort of formed like a bearish engulfing, basically indicating that we're actually going down. But it wasn't engulfing though, but sort of to make it seem as if that upward movement on the dollar index was actually a retest. Remember I mentioned retest earlier on. So with this one, the weekly closed bullish as hell. You know what I'm saying? It closed bullish as hell, but it's actually on resistance right now. And this is actually a focal point for me. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna keep this trend line. This looks like a yummy trend line. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm just gonna keep that trend line. So price came down to here. It still can't break on top there. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait for it to break simply, and then I'm gonna buy it. And then if it falls down, it will take forever to fall down below here. I would have reanalyzed by then. So I'm gonna see. So basically for the weekly, before I start analyzing, like I'm analyzing on the 4 hour. For the weekly, it's bullish. You know what I'm saying? The same way the dollar index was bearish. For the daily, you see what the daily, how the daily closed. It closed like that, man. That indicates bearish movement. It's also engulfing. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's crazy, man. Like, it's actually, the thing is, if I was to look at it without thinking too much, I'd say the dollar index, basically the dollar is about to gain strength. But the thing is, the markets want us to think that way. Then they just change things. So I have both views open. So here we have a young double top, indicating downward momentum. Or you see, and then also if it breaks the double top or this triple top, actually this resistance, then I'm gonna have some more, bullish momentum. So if you're to ask me when to sell, you know what I'm saying, I'll just basically do this. Our neckline is here. That's our top, the other top. So I'd wait for this chart to fall below and break this neckline. If it breaks my neckline, then I know we can be falling further. But right now I wouldn't take any shots, and I wouldn't take any buys. I would only take buys if it breaks the previous high, basically. Yeah. Euro USD. Euro USD. You get it to the weekly chart. Oh, sorry. Join tools. Yeah, Euro USD. Let's go. Right now it's so bullish, like it's super bullish. And I for sure you guys saw the line I just drew there, and I won't forget the line. This line I drew last week in my last week's video. The ones who saw my stuff, they know, and they pipped. You see what I'm saying? Like, we all gotta eat, bro. Y'all gotta eat, man. You know, now I'm saying, yeah. So, yeah, self-explanatory for me. This was just a retracement back to the previous resistance, which is now support, or basically the previous, basically I had to come and retest this, this trend line right here. You know what I'm saying? So I would just say, you know, it's as usual. On the weekly, it's so bullish. Then on the daily, it's something else. Here on the daily, it looks like it formed like a double top. You see what I'm saying? So when it forms a double top like this, it's actually crazy. You know what I'm saying? Because you know what? As I speak like this, the more I speak, right? I'm starting to realize that maybe we may actually start getting dollar strength. I'm starting to realize that, man. Like, I'm thinking we may even start getting dollar strength. Because all of these charts, they're either double tops or double bottoms, you know what I'm saying? Irrespective of whether the USD is the base currency or cold currency, you know what I'm saying? So that should also give you an idea that it's time to change. Maybe the US dollar is starting to gain. Maybe. But anyway, we'll see on more charts. Let's go. But maybe, just keep that in mind. Daily chart, double top, it's about to fall. You already know our neckline is this nigga right here. So we expect to make an M. So you'd probably enter it when it breaks this neckline right here. So the neckline is where this price retraced from, or retraced to actually. You should, you know, upward retracement, then upward. So it's the retracement. So yeah, if it breaks this, it'll probably be the time it breaks this line. So you already know, guaps, money, pips. Yeah. So, you know, made that double top, started falling. You know what I'm saying? So when I would enter it, if I was a ruthless person, I'd enter it the moment it breaks the trend line. But I'm gonna wait for it to break this trend line that I drew first on the weekly candle first. You know what I'm saying? Not first, but on the one I drew on the weekly candle. Yeah, the only one. That's when I'm gonna take my shots. Not shots of tequila or whiskey. Nah, I mean shots, you know, going short or selling. Yeah. What is it again? Oh, USD JPY. Almost forgot. By the way, did you guys realize how these charts, dollar index, the USD JPY, the Euro USD and gold, how they played out to my analysis last week? The people who watched my video, they know. I ain't even tripping. They know, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, this is a trade I gave out this past week though to the people that don't watch my videos. So if it's the first time watching my video, good decision, brother. Yeah. So you know what I'm gonna do best, move, you know, do best and get to the weekly. I flipping hell, that looks bearish as hell. Alright. I hope everybody's still watching, still kicking, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Right now I got this chart right here. You know what I do, trend line guide. That's me. So I'm gonna do my trend lines right there, you know what I'm saying? Also do my trend line, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like, they have to know. I want do my trend line right there. So bam, we just fell. Oh, we just fell. We just broke our symmetrical triangle. Oh my god, we just failed. To me, this just looks like more falls are about to come through for the next month or year or whatever. But we still gonna be falling though. Long term falling, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, with that being said, man, I'm just gonna literally watch and see how the next week reacts. You know what I'm saying? Reacts to this situation. But to me, I see the USD falling. If I was to use the dollar time, I mean the weekly time frame. I get on the daily, you know what I'm saying? Look at it. It's all beautiful, you know, it broke through. So I don't know. Yeah, so it broke through, right? So let me see if I can support any support. Any support resistance where I'm at. Nope, nothing where I'm at. Nothing at all where I'm at. Nothing at all where I'm at. Yeah, no support resistance. Well, I mean, the ones which are there are just the previous ones, though. That's hideous. So, I mean, we closed with like a hammer, a bullish hammer. So that could also indicate trend direction, you know what I'm saying? So outside the Tuesday daily candle closure, it sort of no the Monday one, yeah. It sort of give us an idea as to what's gonna happen for the next coming week. So we gotta be on our tippy toes. Yeah, this is the US dollar JPY chart. You know, we still couldn't break, so we finally broke through. We're probably getting like a retracement before we continue downward momentum, right? So I'm just trying to figure out where we're gonna retrace to. So I'm just trying to it's your service. I'm just trying to figure out the fibs, all the fibs going to be. Alright, so what I'm just gonna do with the US dollar JPY is for UJ, I still believe UJ is fun. I still believe the Japanese yen is strong. I've been saying this, and I'm forever gonna say this because it's been holding up against strong euros and strong dollars. You see what I'm saying? But then the US dollar, that's the one which was strong. I think last week actually the other week, it was strong. But the UJ still, I mean, yeah, UJ kept still on falling. So you should figure that out. That should tell you something. Right now, you know, indecision for me, so I'm not gonna force things. I won't even try and force it. Yeah. So I don't know. I'ma choose one more pair, but like I don't know which one to choose. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just ask Google. I'm gonna type in currency pair, whichever comes out first, and as long as I haven't done it, I'm gonna do it. Currency pairs. The first one that I see that I haven't done, I'm gonna take it. As long as it doesn't have USD on it, because I've done so many USD pairs. But yeah. Okay. I these are ads. Okay. Alright, currency pairs. Let's go. I don't know why I'm being extra about this, but yeah, you know. Oh my god, I'm doing something else. Can I find just any currency? You know what? I'm gonna just close my eyes and type it. Nah, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. Let me just wait for. Oh, there we go. AUDCAD. Yeah, we done. AUDCAD. UTCAD. Bada, da, I've been saying I long wanted to buy this pair. Then once it hit my stop loss, I forgot to check for it again. Anyway, yo, sorry man, don't be caught up with these. Alright, AUDCAD, you probably most definitely know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, for the ones that don't know, I'm not gonna talk a lot about it on the weekly chat because of all of this nonsense right here. But one thing I know though is we managed to break out. See that couldn't, broke out, retested, so we out. So I'm already on that we out tip. Like, we go on to this high, you know what I'm saying? Like to ones already. I already have my bias already. This is what I think. And then on the weekly is just beautiful, retest, breakout, then breakout. Then once I fix that line, it's gonna look beautiful. Breakout, then retest. I mean, it's just like lit. You know what I'm saying? Like, wow, CP, how you do it? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. All right, so I'm just gonna basically get these fibs, hit it up. If you wanna make this money piece by piece, your next target, man, just buy whenever. The next target is 1.00900. You let me know how you let me know how that money takes care of you. But yeah, that's that's the next target, 1.00900 for AUDCAD. You already just get it. What else? Yeah, man, let's get this video to 400 likes. Leave out that like button, that share, that everything. So the reason why I didn't have an intro is because I'm busy, man. Like, right now, I didn't have time to make the video, but I had to finesse guru. So we're gonna get to the news. Tomorrow's a bank holiday at China and also at America. Oh my God. And also we got GBP news in the night. That's GMT 2+. Then the next day on Tuesday we got China is also has a bank holiday, and then Australian dollar monetary policy. You know what I'm saying? When the Chinese still on holiday, then we got GBP and USD is gonna be lit though. FOMC is whack nowadays. I don't really care. Thursday we got that GBP second estimate. I don't know how lit that is. We got that core retail sales, crude oil, inventories for the USD, and then core retail sales for the Canadian dollar. Then we got that NZD retail sales. And then what is it? Friday we got that Canadian dollar CPI monthly index. I don't know. I guess so. But yeah, man, it's your boy CHARTPLUG. Yeah.